Next, we have specification number 2, which tells us to understand that absorption, which occurs by diffusion, osmosis and active transport, is the movement of nutrients from the intestines into cells lining of the digestive system and then into the blood. What they are really asking us here is to recognize how the nutrients actually get absorbed. In other words, we need to understand the different mechanisms, diffusion, osmosis, and active transport, and how each one plays a role in moving nutrients from the small intestine, through the intestinal wall cells, and into either the blood or lymph. So, we know that nutrient absorption simply means the movement of nutrients from the intestines into the cells lining the digestive system, and then into the blood. This process happens in 3 main ways. First, by diffusion. This is the passive movement of molecules from a high concentration to a low concentration, without using any energy, until a balance, or equilibrium, is reached. Second, by osmosis. This is specifically the movement of water across a semi-permeable membrane, with the goal of balancing solute concentrations on both sides. Third, by active transport. This is different because it moves substances against the concentration gradient, from low concentration to high concentration. To do this, it requires energy in the form of ATP, and it often relies on specialized protein pumps or carrier proteins in the cell membrane. Together, these 3 processes, diffusion, osmosis, and active transport, make sure that glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, and other essential nutrients are absorbed efficiently into the body.